wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight.
Okay guys, hi, it's me from another time. Basically I'm just showing you the wig here. This is such a lovely wig, it's such good quality. I'm gonna just walk you around like the construction of the wig. It's basically like a 13 by 6 lace wig cap. Lace wig cap, you know what I mean. The construction just has 3 combs in it, 2 at the side and 1 at the back, and an elastic just built in. You can always put your own elastic in if you want to make it more snug, but for me this is actually a really snug cap, so just be mindful if you've got big hair like mine, because it is definitely going to be really snug. Anyway, I made it work. So I just putting it on for size, and I just wanted to cut the lace on my head because I feel like that's easier for me as a beginner. So I just put it on in the position. You can see the hairline is actually, it's not the same as mine basically. So some of my baby hairs are left out at the side, but it's just the way it's structured. So I just put the hair out of the way, just combing everything out of my way so I don't cut what I don't want to. And then I start to cut the lace from the middle. I find this is easier. So I just cut up to the middle, up to that middle part in, and then I just go around each side. Cutting it not straight, sorry I'm out of view here, not straight, kind of in a jagged line, and you can see my lace cap underneath peering through, but that's just because of the, like I said, the shape of this hairline. So just cut both sides, nice and jagged, doesn't have to be neat, but just get rid of all of that lace. And then I'm just gonna check it for size again. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off and actually just tint the lace. So there's different ways that you can do this, but I'm actually just gonna use a little bit of my foundation because I find that's the easiest. I didn't bleach the knots or anything, you can do. Just dry that in. You can actually set it with some powder if you want to, but I just used my blow dryer and basically dried it. So I'm gonna put it back on now because I'm pretty much finished. I'm going to stick this down with my olive oil ORS wig, what's this, wig spray, whatever it's called. And I'm just gonna spray it onto my, well, my hairline. I'm trying not to get any of the hair, but like I said, this wig is actually a small one for me, so I have to spray on a little bit of the side of my hair, but this, luckily, this hold and spray is not too damaging. So that's good. Anything that's kind of like sort of drops down, just use a makeup wipe to get rid of it, and that's the easiest way. That's why I don't like to put my wigs on until I've done my makeup, because I'm not a professional. Anyway, I'm just going to pull it down and stick it in place, and you'll see that I just kind of line it up where I have the spray, stick it in, really push it into my forehead there, and then I'm going to dry it down with my hairdryer on a low heat, just so that a low setting, just so that I can get it to melt as much as possible. So, you know, just take your time with this. If you're not a professional, then it might take you a little bit longer. You might have to readjust, you might have to put a little bit more spray. It doesn't matter, there's no rush here. So go in with your blow dry, just again to help to melt it as much as you can. Tweak it, whatever it is that you need to do at this point. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to cut some baby hairs, and this is a bit where it can go a little bit wrong. So you just need to part a really thin piece of hair, not too much, because you don't want it to look too wiggy with too much baby hairs. That's what I think looks nicer. So I just got a tiny slither, and then I'm going to start to cut it. So I cut the baby hairs quite long first, and then I go in and I cut them shorter. So just don't go cutting it straight really short, just cut it longer, and then just, you know, go back and forth with it just to get it to your desired length. Then I'm just going to use some gel, any type of gel that you use to stick your baby hairs down, and then this part is obviously preference for everybody. So if you want to have some long, you know, however you like to style it. If you like to have them curly, however you want it, just go in, tweak it. I did this quite a few times, to be honest with you. So I got them to the perfect way that I wanted them for now. And then I'm just gonna tie it down. So use whatever it is that you use to tie down your lace fronts. Leave it on there for as long as you need to, until you're going out, whatever the case may be. This hair is brilliant. Okay guys, I'm back. I have literally just put some makeup on, taken the headscarf off, and my baby hairs, they're trying to lift a bit. Yeah, they're trying to lift a little bit. Anyway, I might need to use like a different gel or something. Maybe I should just use like an eco styler rather than the Shine and Jam that I'm using, because that's not really what it's for. I wanted you to know that I did tweeze the parting a little bit. It doesn't need much at all. And I also put a little bit of concealer in the parting. I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, I know I'm definitely not professional. I think it could definitely do with a little bit more tweaking. Some of the stuff that you might want to use on it, which I haven't yet, is some dry shampoo. So if you feel like it's looking a bit shiny, which it actually doesn't, you could just like spray a bit. Just to kind of take away some of the shine. With some of synthetic wigs, the dry shampoo definitely does help. This hair is so good, like it feels good. It doesn't even feel synthetic at all. I love blonde against my skin tone. I do really feel like this blonde, it suits like women of color a lot. If you're looking for a blonde that is suitable, because I know some of these really yellowy blondes can just be a little bit like too much, definitely try this one. Oh, I feel, girl, I feel cute. What are you thinking? I feel so, so cute. Also, the other thing that I didn't put on it, which you can, and I probably will the next time, is some mousse. This is the volumizing one by Wella. And to be honest, I wasn't actually looking for a volumizing mousse. I probably should have got like maybe one or two, because I don't need like that much volume. And yeah, that's what I need. I need like a styling or setting mousse, not really a volumizing one. But anyway. And then just tie it down. But yeah, it doesn't really need it. Like, I'm feeling the volume. I did want to show you how long it is. Okay, so here is the length of it. If you can see, it kind of goes under, like just underneath my boobs. But yeah, super, super gorgeous wig. Absolutely love it. If you guys liked this review and what I've done, if you've got any tips, remember I said to you that I am not a professional. So if you have any tips for me, please be nice, but drop them in the comments and let me know if there's anything else that I can do. I do feel like my head is quite big, or maybe I just didn't camera my hair down like small enough, because it feels like I could have done with a little bit of a bigger wig cap. But yeah, that might just be to do with my head. So if you've got an average size head, you're gonna be fine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you stick around. If you like this type of video, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the like button as well, because that will let me know that you like this type of video as well. And I guess until next time, I'll see you soon. It's your girl, Missveelondon. Bye.